All right, folks, we're just having fun back here, sorry. We'll close this thing down the way we traditionally do. This is a tune made famous by the Count Basie Band. This little thing is called April in Paris. Thanks very much, ladies and gentlemen. Reminder, this band will be back here in this park next Tuesday. That'd be June 21st. So if you enjoyed this music, please tell your friends to join you here next Tuesday. If you did not enjoy this music, don't mention it to another soul. We appreciate you coming out. Chris reminded me of a brief story. Yeah, so there's a couple of guys playing, I think it's Lee Trevino who came up with this. Lee Trevino and Jack Nicklaus are out playing golf, and all of a sudden the clouds come up, and there's thunder and lightning. And Nicklaus says, man, we better get out of here. And Trevino says, no, Jack, just take out your 1-iron. And Jack says, what the hell is that going to do? And Trevino says, are you kidding me? Not even God can hit a 1-iron. 1, 4, 5. that trumpet section, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. Right on.
Thank you so much for coming out. Thanks to the city for allowing us to play in this fabulous little band shell, which they fixed up, and it's really nice.